Create and use custom PDFs. You can now create custom PDFs to customize your documents exactly as you want them to look. Follow this step-by-step guide on how to do that. Start by accessing the Configuration tab and choosing Settings. Navigate to PDF Templates in the left menu to manage or create document templates. Click Add PDF Template to begin creating a new custom template. You may choose Start from Scratch if you want to design a template without using a pre-made layout. You can also select the Customize Curated tab to access ready-made PDF templates for quick personalization. Click the More Options menu and click Preview this template. Let's use a sales order template in this example. Click the Customize button to modify the layout or content of your selected template. Edit the name field to set a clear descriptive title for your new PDF template. Switch to the HTML tab to modify the structure and content of your PDF template. Click the CSS tab to adjust the visual styling of your template. Click the Generate button to preview your PDF with the current configuration and data. Open the Options tab to adjust additional settings and preferences for your template. Click Save and Close to finalize your custom PDF template and exit the editor. To use the custom PDF we just created, select Sales Orders in the Sales tab. Choose a specific sales order to view or edit its details. Click on this printer icon for more options. Your PDF templates are right under Custom PDF. If you have any questions or run into issues, our support team is always here to help. Just send us an email. You can also find more resources in our Help Center. And if you'd like to see more tutorials like this, let us know. See you in the next one.